June 30, 1908, a cataclysmic explosion shook Earth.
The Tunguska event, a mysterious disaster.
Flattening trees over 800 miles. The blast released 10 to 15 megatons energy, shocking the scientific community.
The cause remained a mystery.
Many theories emerged, none proven. From comets to black holes, speculation ran wild. The impact zone, a barren landscape.
No crater, no impactor found.
The explosion's power, still unimaginable. 2,000 square miles of forest destroyed. The shockwave, heard hundreds miles away.
Windows shattered, buildings damaged.
The seismic event, registered worldwide.
A global response to the unknown disaster.
Theories of a meteorite gained traction.
But no meteorite fragments found. The Tunguska event remains a mystery. A reminder of nature's unimaginable power. The Tunguska event, a disaster that shook Earth.